Hi Year 5. Today we are looking at multiplying by powers of 10. So multiplying by 10, 100, 1,000, questions like that. I'm going to start by thinking about what I already know about multiplying by 10. For example, 3 times 10 I know equals 30. I'm going to think about what this looks like in my place value chart. 3 in a place value chart looks like this. 30 looks like this. So when I multiplied by 10, I moved my counters one column to the left, and I had to put a 0 here as a placeholder. What else do I know about multiplying by 10? I know that I can multiply a 2-digit number by 10. For example, 12 times 10. I know that that equals 120 because I know my 12 times table. In the place value chart, this looks like this: 1 10 and 2 1s. That's 12. 120 in the place value chart looks like this. So again, my counters have moved one column to the left, and I've had to put a 0 in the ones column as a placeholder. But a decimal number, 2.1 multiplied by 10. In the place value chart, that looks like this: 2 1s and 1/10. 2.1. I noticed that the numbers that I did before, they had an extra 0 on the end. But actually, when I do that with my decimal, I've noticed that the number hasn't changed. I've still only got 2 1s and 1/10. So that is not going to help me calculate 2.1 multiplied by 10. What I have to do is move my counters one column to the left. I'll keep that on there to remember our first number. So that gives me 2 10s and 1 1, which is 21. I don't need to do my decimal place and my 0 in the tenths column, because if we don't have any tenths, we just assume that this final number is the ones. Now, how might you think we multiply by 100 or 1,000?